Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your G-Shock GBA-800. First, ensure your watch has sufficient power. Next, download the official G-Shock connected app from your smartphone's app store. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. Finally, confirm that Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful pairing process, setting the foundation for your watch's smart features. Now, let's get your GBA-800 ready for pairing. Locate the Connect button, usually on the left side of the watch. Press and hold this button for about 3 seconds until pairing appears on the digital display. After a moment, it will change to Connect, and a small Bluetooth indicator will begin flashing. This signifies your watch is actively searching for a device to pair with, so keep it close. With your watch in pairing mode, open the G-Shock connected app on your smartphone. The app should automatically prompt you to add a new watch, or you can tap the plus icon. Select your GBA-800 model from the list of detected devices. The app will then guide you through a quick confirmation. You might need to press a button on your watch to finalize the connection, typically the Connect button again. Once successfully connected, you'll notice the Bluetooth indicator on your GBA-800 will stop flashing and remain steadily lit. The G-Shock connected app will also confirm the connection, displaying your watch's status. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your phone and watch, then repeat the process. Ensure your watch is within 1 meter of your phone during pairing for optimal signal strength. Enjoy your connected G-Shock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.